We have seen some interesting devices from Nokia in the past few months, and now we have a new smartphone that mixes things up a bit and aims to bring Nokia into the offline market. The Nokia 3.1 Plus is the new smartphone in question, and these are our first impressions. This smartphone is quite a bit different in terms of the visual look and feel compared to other smartphones of 2018 from Nokia, and is more in line with Nokia smartphones of last year. It's a plastic body with a matte finish, but it does feel good in terms of build quality and handling. However, it doesn't feel as premium as the metal and glass that the Nokia 5.1 Plus and Nokia 6.1 Plus use, but at least you feel that it can easily withstand some rough use. One thing I quite liked is the Nokia branding that is offset to a side rather than being centered. The display is bigger at 6 inches and there is no notch. The HD Plus resolution seems sufficient with decent sharpness, and the 2.5D curved glass feels good to use. However, the glass is a bit reflective and the display is a bit dim under direct sunlight. In terms of camera setup, the rear packs in a 13MP f2 1.12 micron camera, as well as the secondary 5MP f2.4 camera with 1.12 micron pixel size. At the front, you have an 8MP f2.4 sensor as well. Here are some samples from the camera on the smartphone. The device is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22 processor and comes with either 16 or 32 GB of eMMC 5.1 storage and corresponding 3 or 4 GB of LPDDR3 RAM. The cheaper Nokia 5.1 Plus packs in a more powerful MediaTek P60 processor, so this isn't really something that would win performance battles. Nonetheless, so far things seem fluid, and having a stock Android UI and being part of the Android One program should ensure quick updates and stable performance. You have a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. There's a hybrid dual SIM card slot on board, as well as a micro USB port that's used for charging the 3500 mAh battery. We have seen some aggressive pricing from Nokia on the 5.1 and 6.1 Plus smartphones that offer great value for money, but they were meant for the online market, which is more competitive. Comparatively, the Nokia's 3.1 Plus is priced at a premium, judging by the specs, because it's primarily meant for the offline market, but we'll pass our final judgment in our review. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.